Hi everyone. In last session, we have completed what is Python, introduction of Python. Today, we are going to learn about Jupyter Notebook. Okay, means it is a Jupyter Notebook is one of the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. There are a number of different IDEs are there. Even Jupyter Notebook and also Spider and another things also there. But most of the times, actually, we use it to have we have to write a code in Jupyter Notebook because it is more comfortable, look wise and features wise. Everything it looks good. So it is as it is a more convenient and comfort. Most of the people use it to write a code in Jupyter Notebook. Of course, even Spider also have different features and everything we can do whatever we are able to do in the Jupyter Notebook we can do in with Spider also. But Jupyter Notebook, it is a web-based IDE. Means as it is a web-based, when we open this Jupyter Notebook, automatically it opens in one of the browser. That browser may be whatever we are using in our system, the same in the same browser it is going to open. So if you see here you can find Jupyter Notebook. If we installed our Python and also Anaconda Navigator, from Anaconda Navigator also we can open, or else directly we can go to here, Jupyter Notebook can be opened. Okay, like that I have opened this Jupyter Notebook. After opening this Jupyter Notebook, in backend, whatever in backend, this panel will be opened, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, because in this actually whatever we have created, what is our version of the Python and Anaconda, everything will be there. So here, this is the first page. In this page, whatever we have created the notebook files and created a code, everything will be saved here. So here features of Jupyter Notebook which I have created last time. So it is what actually, if I open this, it will be created like this. So if I want to open another one, a new one, so I have to go here, see here, new, you can find one new button here. So if you take the drop down here, Python 3 can be there. Okay, IPython kernel. If you open this, it will create a new notebook. Okay, it is web based. So in browser only it is opening. Okay. So you can find here untitled Jupyter Notebook, untitled 4. Why it is showing this untitled 4? As of now, we have created untitled notebooks 3. So another one is untitled 4, it is opening here. So, but if we want to change the name of this untitled, see here, this untitled 4 is there, right? If you click here, you can find this untitled 4. Whatever you want, you can name here. Okay. If you open here, you can delete this untitled and we can name this notebook. Okay. In the same way, what I have done, just I am canceling this notebook. In the same way, here, what I named here, features of Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So we need to have our own name. Features of Jupyter Notebook, I named here. Okay. In the same way, this is called very basic features I am going to explain here. Okay. This is called as a cell. Okay. So whatever you want to write a code, you can write in this cell. Okay. Here there are n number of different options are there. You can see here. Okay. So just I am writing as a introduction to Jupyter, introduction to Python. I want to write it. Introduction to Python. Okay, I have written as an introduction to Python and how to execute this. Is this code or else a heading? We need to see here. So if you run it, what happens? It is an invalid syntax it is giving because it is not a code. I want to write as a heading. Okay, so here one box you can find here, code. It is not code. So here you can say as a heading. Okay, this is a level 2 heading. I am going to explain this also. But markdown feature is very good one. See here. See, it is a markdown. By keeping a markdown, you can see as a, you can keep as a code or markdown or heading or raw NB convert. Okay. If you keep as a code, we have to write code. But I don't want to write a code. I want to keep a heading. So we have to keep as a markdown. So after keeping markdown, if you run, what happened? It named as a, it is giving as a heading. Okay. Right. In the same way, in how many ways we can write? Here, I want to write a, uh, the same thing I want to write again. Suppose, okay, here I want to write Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. I don't want to keep it as a heading. I want to keep as a side heading, subheading. Okay. Suppose if I want to keep as a subheading, you go and heading. By keeping itself, it is this level of code is level 2 heading. Okay. If I keep here, it is level 2 heading it is showing. So by looking itself, we can say it is a little small, of course. So without going there also, we can go for markdown, and also you can keep one more hash symbol. By keeping another hash symbol, okay, you can, now it is Jupyter notebook, it is with small letters. And also as it is a subheading in small letters, as it is a main heading, it is a, with big letters, big font size is different. In the same way, how many sizes we can write? See here. In another notebook, I am going to show in how many ways, because 6 ways we can go ahead. This is, see here, introduction to Jupyter. With only one hash, it is giving a heading, main heading. With the 2 hashes, it is giving little small as it is a subheading. If you want to very small font, you have to increase this hash symbols. After that, we have to give space. But up to how many hashes we can increase? Up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hashes, up to 6 hashes, it is giving this. If you keep 7 hashes, it won't give as a heading. See here what happens. See here. Introduction to Jupyter, it is a subheading. It is a, sorry, main heading. It is a subheading. It is very small. It is also too small. And here, whatever font we are writing, the same size of code, same size of font it is giving, because we have 7. Up to 6 hashes, it gives this. Okay. This is the way. This option is completed. So how to run? This is the run. Okay. This print is an inbuilt function. If I want to print anything, just to have to give a print function, print hi everyone. Just I have written here. Okay. If I if we do this, what happens if I run this? Hi everyone, it is printed. Okay. It is printed automatically. Automatically, what happening? See, it is moving to next cell. Okay. Okay. After completion, this is the way we have to write. This is the run. Without going to run, how to run this cell? This is control enter or alt enter. If you go for control enter also, it ran. And also, if you go with alt enter, but there is a small change you can find here. Okay. What is that change? Before, if I run this or if we press Control Enter, this code will be run. Okay, this code ran. After that, automatically this moved to next cell. But here one more cell also created, because after completion of one code running, immediately we have to create another code, another line of code, right? So it is creating automatically another line, another empty line. Okay. Okay. So this is the run, Control Enter, or else Alt Enter. In this way, we can run the code. Then you can see this number. This is input. IN means input. This is in bracket, number is there. What is this number? This is the execution number. Here it is saying as a 8. Why it is saying as a 8? Because this is 8th time. In this page, 8th time I am executing. This is second, means after executing this again and again, I am executing this code. See here, this is first time actually I have executed. After that, second, third, fourth, like that again and again I am executing this 8th. So if I execute once again, this number will increase. See. So what is the major, what is the big number? Okay, what is the highest number is there? That is the last ran number, last executed line of code. We can see here, like that we have to find. This is the option. Then this is plus, just inserting cell. One more cell, if I want to insert in this code, just have to click here. See here, there were, sorry, there were only one cell was empty. Now another empty cell also included here. Like that, how many cells you want to write the code, you can, here we have to press the plus button. And this, what is this? Move selected cell above. So I want to move this cell above. So how to do this? Just to have to click here, so that this blank cell came down and this cell came up. See here, again, like that. Now if I want to keep down, like this, these are the buttons. Okay. And then insert cell above, insert cell below. You can see here. If I want to insert cell above this selected cell, I have to click here. One more cell is added above this code, above this cell. Now cell below. Okay, this is the way. Okay. And also after doing all those things, where to save? Here save button is there, but it is anyhow, it is auto saved. That is a major benefit of Jupyter Notebook is it is auto saved. Whatever we have written here code, automatically it can be saved. But where it is going to saved? Okay, after saving, I will show where it is going to save now. Okay, see here. Okay, it is better to show now itself. See, OS. Okay, import OS. OS is one of the package. From that, how to do? See, just I am running this code. OS dot get CWD. What is this? This get CWD? Current working directory. CWD means current working directory. OS dot get CWD. Okay, that is current working directory. Print OS dot get CWD. If we print this, what it is printing? C colon user admin. This is the path. Okay, let us see, is in this path, is it there or not? We can see here. Okay, see users admin. If you go here, see users admin. See here, all the files are there. Whatever files we are able to see here. Features of Jupyter Notebook. If we save there, it can be automatically, it will be saved here. See here. So for that, what to do here? Just save. If we save automatically, in the same current working directory, whatever the current working directory is there in our system, automatically it can get saved in the same location. But you may ask how to change my current working directory. For that purpose also, change directory. OS dot some code is there. That is one line of code. With help of one line of code, you can change this. OS dot chdir means what is that? Change directory. Whatever the wherever you want to keep, here we have to give the path. Okay. Here, okay. uh, Disk number and path where to new directory name and everything you have to give the path here, so that automatically it can be get saved in the new current working directory. The total current working directory itself, it will get changed to the different location. Okay, these are the very basic features of the Python Jupyter notebook. Now another one more here. Insert also happened, everything completed. Here, kernel, you see the kernel. Okay. Interrupt. While running this code, we can interrupt. Restart the kernel means from here to everything, every cell will run one after another. Here, restart and clear output. If I want to go for clear output, what will happen? And restart and run all those things. Once again, it is going to run. Let us see here. If I go for restart run all, what it is going to see here, show here. Just observe here before going to that. Now, here numbers you are able to find, right? It is number. These are the blank. Okay. These all are blank cells. So yeah, one more. This is, what is this? Just cutting the cell. This is adding the cell. It is cutting the cell. I want to cut the cells. Blank cells I want to cut now. Okay. This cell also blank cell I want to cut here. Here numbers you just to keep in mind how it is going to change now. You can see in go to kernel, restart and run all. Yes, I want to restart and run all. What happens? You can find here the star symbols. Just now you have seen the star symbols, right? Yeah. Again, it started from here. 1, 2, 3. Numbers are changed. It is giving the outputs here. 6, 7, 8. After that, ninth, why it is not running? Because here it came to what happened here. It got stopped here, right? Because it is wrong. I did not give any path at all. So as it is wrong, it stopped here itself. So here onwards, again we have to, or else manually we can run it. It will give ninth, right? 10, 11, 12, like that. And also, if there is a no mistakes or no error in any cell, what happens? Automatically, it will up to end of the code, end of the all lines, it will get ran. Here, because first what happened here? Just to see, all outputs are deleted. Now it is running freshly, right? Okay. This is the option. And one more option also there. Restart clear output. Now outputs also here. So I want to clear all the outputs now. Okay. If I want to clear all the outputs, what to do? Restart and clear all outputs. Let us see what it will give. It is completed. No execution number, nothing is there. Right? These are the very basic features of the Jupyter Notebook. In next session, what we are going to learn means variables. That is the very first topic in variables and data types. Variables and data types in next session we will complete. Thank you.